Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, the Super Energy 2B. But before we begin, you have to slap like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel to further the flow. Do it now, or I will do something for you. Yes, I'm very friendly and calm. Hey, welcome back! Hello friends, long time no see you. We haven't met in a long time. I hope you guys stay healthy and surely you can breathe until now. In our video in this time, we will discuss how the COVID-19 pandemic affected my life. Don't skip this video or I will come to your house and get all your cookies and food. Check me. Starting from home, in society, family and relatives, government service, religious service, and my study, maybe you will imagine everything is limited like in the big cities. But fortunately, in my hometown, the effect of the COVID-19 did not affect too much because my area was still wide. What the cow is it? But fortunately, in my hometown, the effect of the COVID-19 did not affect too much because my area was still in the green zone category. But there are some who are affected, namely government service, church service, and of course online lecture. In government service, on average, they already use applications such as BPJS service. In religious service, we have been worshipping for more than 2 months at home with family, and fortunately, last week we were able to worship in the church as usually by implementing standard health protocol. We must wash our hands before and after worship, and we must use a mask. And the rest can still be done as usual. So, what are my activities during the COVID-19 pandemic? Number 1, I'm more diligent in exercising, shaping the body, and maintaining health. At least once a week, I do marathon sports in the morning or evening, and activities such as pull-up, push-up, and plank. Number 2, there are always projects in my family and holiday or circumstance like this. We usually do our family project, like making a bench and something like that, and that is always done when we go home. This is done so that we don't always lie down like you do. Checkmate people who always sleep all the time. Number 3, online lectures. Yes, online tuition does sound like fun because we don't need to go to campus and still sit and lie down at home. Yes, but the fact is when the text dropped that were disaster actually happening. Why? We did not understand all the text given and the lecture explanation, which made us a little difficult. But we always try to ask the seniors or other friends who already understand. But on average, we don't understand everything. Shh! Don't tell the others and keep the secret. Okay, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I want to comment below on how does the COVID pandemic affect your life. I will read all your comments. Okay, don't forget to slap like, leave a comment, and subscribe this channel. Always use a mask and hand sanitizer. Stay healthy, and whatever happens, keep breathing. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.